then says, 3,000 ducats, it's a good round sum. 3 months from 12. Then let me see the rate. So now, Shylock, he ignores to what Antonio is saying, and he says, you are asking for 3,000 ducats. It is a big sum of money. You want 3,000 ducats from 3 months for 3 months. From when? From 12. Then let me see what the rate will be. Antonio says, well, Shylock, shall we be holding to you? So here Antonio wants to know whether Shylock was going to lend the money to them or not. Then Shylock says, he gets a chance, to speak whatever his feelings were for Antonio. And he says, Signor Antonio, many a time and oft in the Rialto you have rated me. So here he says, Mr. Antonio, you have often abused me. You have often abused me. About what? About my money. About my money and about what? My money lending deals or business. Still have I borne it with a patient shrug. So here he further says that, but I have tolerated it with a patient shrug. For sufferance is the badge of all our tribe. He says, why? I have tolerated it so much? Because tolerance is what? It is the hallmark, you can say. Tolerance is the hallmark of what? It is the hallmark of our race. Of our tribe. You call me misbeliever, cutthroat dog, and spit upon my Jewish gabardine. And then Shylock further said that you have called me what? To be a non-believer. To be a non-believer. Merciless person. And you have even spit upon what? Upon my Jewish flock. And all this, he further says, all this is now appears you need my help. And now he says that upon whatever you have done, now it appears that you are in need of my help. Then he says, go to them, you come to me. And then he says that you go means you are coming to me. And you say, Shylock, we would have money. And then what do you say? You say, Shylock, we are in need of money. You say so. So this is what you say. You that did void your dream upon my beard. Means you come to me and you say that you are in need of money. You who had done what? Who had spat upon my beard and you had kicked me. You had spat upon my beard. You had kicked me. You had kicked me and done what? You had kicked me and called me a stray dog, and you had kicked me out of your door. And now what happens? Over the threshold means you had kicked me out of your door. Money is your suit. Now you require what? You are in need of money. You require money. So what should I say to you? So what do you expect me to say? What should I say to you? Should I not say, hath a dog money? Is it possible a cur can lend 3,000 ducats? So now he says that, what do you expect me to say? Should I not say? So don't you think I will say that, does a dog have money? Does a dog have money? Is it possible a cur can lend 3,000 ducats? Does a dog have money? And is it possible for a dog to lend what? To lend 3,000 ducats? Is it possible for a dog to lend money? Then it further says, or shall I bend low and in a bound man's key with bated breath and whispering humbleness say this? Or do you want me to do this? Should I bow low? Okay, should I bow low and in a what? Voice of a slave? Should anxiously and in a very humble whisper, say this: Fair sir, you spit on me on Wednesday. And should I say in a very humble manner that you spat on me when? Last Wednesday. You spurred me such a day. And what did you do? You rejected me on what? On such a day. Then another time you had called me what? A dog. And for these courtesies I lend you thus much monies. So here he says that, do you want me to bow in front of you as a sign of respect to you and say, gentle sir, fair sir, you had spat on me on Wednesday, last Wednesday, then you had also rejected me on such a day, and another time you had called me a dog, and for all these what? Courtesies, for all these respect, for all these politeness, I lend you thus much monies. So here he says, for all the politeness, for all the respect which you have bestowed on me, do you expect me to be lending money to you? Then Antonio says, I am as like to call thee so again, to spit on thee again, to spurn thee too. So here Antonio then says that, once again what I can do? He says, I can do so once again. Okay, this can be repeated once again. I will call you the same thing once again. I can even spit on you. Okay, I can even spit on you again and do what? To spurn thee too. I can even push you away. If thou wilt lend this money, lend it not as to thy friend. Because if you are really willing to lend this money, lend it not as you would do to your friends. For when did friendship take a breed for barren metal of his friend? He says that if you are ready to lend this money, lend it not as you would lend to your friend. For he says that when did a friend charge interest for a loan? For a loan, but lend it like what? Lend it. Antonio says, lend it rather to thine enemy, who if he break, thou mayest with better face exact the penalty. So here he says that lend it instead to your enemy, from whom if he fails to repay, okay, you may extract a penalty without any guilt.